Hey guys, we're here at this event and we have one of our vendors, Sin City Munchies.
Devin Moses, let's go!
Hi, this is Shannon.
Shannon, thank you.
I'm Devin Moses.
So tell us about your wonderful Sin City Munchies food truck.
We started. We opened in 2005, and then we grew our business, family business, and we got a food truck. And now we do smash burgers today at the Asian Festival and at the Filipino Festival. We're gonna be doing Asian fusion burgers with the bulgogi and bulgogi fries and a Japanese teriyaki barbecue burger as well. Yeah, so we have all that on the menu for this festival and the Filipino Festival coming up in May 17th, 18th.
Shannon, do you want to say something? We're going to try your funnel cakes in a bit, but you want to say something about it? I see that there's ube.
Absolutely. So we've created an ube that's like cream cheese, but like cheesecake. Ube.
Wow.
On top of the funnel cake. And special for our Asian festivals coming up.
I can't wait. Oh my gosh. We're going to have them at our Las Vegas Fiesta Extravaganza. Please invite them.
Please come out.
Yeah, come out May 17th, 18th, Craig Ranch Park. We'll see you there.
Thank you. We can't wait to try this stuff here. Okay. Thank you, Sin City Munchies, smash burgers, and funnel cakes. Thank you.
Pilipino, ikaw na nga dahil lagi kang nakatawa. Magaling magkasama sa bayanihan ay una. Kaya halika na, isama ang buong pamilya, pati si Lolo at si Lola at ang buong barkada. Sa Fiesta Extravaganza, kakaibang saya ay madarama. Ipagmamalaking Pinoy ka, mahusay at kay galing sa kultura gawang atin. Sa Fiesta Extravaganza, magsasaya tayong sama-sama. May awitan at sayawan sa harana ng kundiman. Bakas ng ating kinagisnan, muli nating matutunghayan. Kaya halika na, isama ang buong pamilya, pati si Lolo at si Lola at ang buong barkada. Sa Fiesta Extravaganza, kakaibang saya ay madarama. Ipagmamalaking Pinoy ka, mahusay at kay galing sa kultura gawang natin. Sa Fiesta Extravaganza, magsasaya tayo sama-sama. Isang araw, tatlong bituin, isang bayan ng luz, Pilipinas, ikaw ang diwa ng Fiesta